Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2024 911 GTS Cabriolet. It's a gorgeous car in chalk with a black leather interior. Some nice features like surround view. Excuse me. Of course, you have sport exhaust. Also has PASM, so you can have adjustment of the shock settings. Sport chrono. Take a look inside in just a moment. This car does not have paint protection film on it yet, but it really is really a clean front end. Not seeing any significant, even minor chips. The spoiler down below is all in relatively good shape. Just a really clean car. Does have a black top. You can see that's down at the moment. Combination of Racetex carbon fiber and leather inside. So get the little These are the 18-way seats. You have adjustment for the bolsters around your hips and your thighs. A little more pronounced bolstering as well. BOSE stereo. Does have a heated steering wheel as well. I'm going to start it up. Do have adaptive cruise too. Here's the sport chrono. You change from normal to Sport Plus mode. When you go into Sport or Sport Plus, the sport exhaust kicks in. We also, which is really nice, have front axle lift on this car, so that'll raise the front end. It'll remember that location as well when you raise it, so next time you're in that area, it will raise automatically if you choose for it to. And here we do have seat heating. As it sits, 6,100 miles. 6,100 miles. Any other details about the car you'd like, just reach out. Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My direct number is 719-219-5016. 719-219-5016. Thanks for watching.